Cut the loose. That's much better.
Hey girl, having fun?
Mm-hmm.
What are you?
Right here.
What are you? A prince? You funny little girl. I know. How does daddy looks?
You look Batman. You look cute.
That's my little girl. Okay, you acting retarded. Don't act retarded. Princess, don't act retarded.
Call baby.
Hey, baby. See, baby's normal. He's just a homeless guy asking for candy. Alright, girl.